Hello, fourth graders. It's Miss Hannah again, and today I am going to teach you a little bit of writing. So I'm excited to be here to teach you writing because I want you guys all to know that I really miss seeing everybody. So today we're going to talk about something kind of big. It's called domain-specific vocabulary. Over here, you will notice that I have the slides for fourth grade writing up, and I'm going to explain it a little bit. So, when writing an explanation, you use terms that your reader are not familiar with. This is called domain-specific vocabulary. Whoa, big word. Guess what? It's not that difficult. So, I'm going to go back and show you from my writing about what is softball, what these domain-specific vocabulary could be. Really, all they are terms that are kind of just used for one particular thing. So in softball, some examples that I had were an out and an inning. If you had no idea what a softball or baseball, or if you've never played, an out, you'd be like, what? What is an out? How do you get an out? Or inning? Like, what? What's an inning? So these are vocabulary words that we use to talk about things that unless you're familiar with it, you might not know what it is. So for school, for example, as a teacher, we talk about curriculum. Well, what is curriculum? That's a big word. If you're not a teacher, you might not know. So curriculum, for example, is just the things that we teach you. So those are two examples, 2 or 3 examples of like domain-specific vocabulary. So today, you guys are going to be writing about a career, and you're going to give an explanation about a career. And so you are going to maybe have some words that your reader might not understand. However, I'm going to go back to my What is a Softball and show you some examples of how you can put this stuff in. So in my sentence right here, I had written, just like in baseball, in softball, you must get 3 outs. Ding, ding, ding. This is where I could add in an explanation and define this word for people so they understand what an out is. So, an out is when a runner is hit by a batted ball off the base. They run more than 3 feet out of the baseline. They are tagged, or the ball, oops, I see I have some errors. Or the ball beats the player to the base. So, just like in baseball and softball, you must also get 3 outs. An out is when a runner is hit by a batted ball off the base. They run more than 3 feet out of the baseline. They are tagged, or the ball beats the player to the base. Now, for my next example, I'm going to explain what an inning is. Some people might not know what an inning is. So again, this is domain-specific vocabulary. Big word, very simple though. I need to explain what an inning is. So an innings are divisions of a game during which the 2 teams both get to play offense and defense where they are allowed 3 outs while batting. So now I'm going to go back and reread it to make sure it makes sense. So softball is played in innings, and there are 7 total innings in a game. Innings are a division of a game during which the 2 teams both get to play offense and defense where they are allowed 3 outs while batting. So as you can see, using some of these domain-specific vocabulary and then defining them in your writing, it will help be a better explanation for your reader. Because you have to remember, just because you know it, it doesn't mean that your reader will. So I hope this helps you become a better explanation writer, and I hope you have fun writing about a job you know about. So have a great time, fourth graders. Can't wait to see you soon.